Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial you will learn how to make a slow motion video. We all have amazing cameras in our pockets. iPhones are known as one of the best video cameras on smartphones. Today we'll take a look at the slow motion capabilities of your iPhone. Let's open up the camera app and move to the slow-mo mode by either tapping on it or swiping. Here we have all the regular options. On the top right, however, we have the FPS selector. FPS stands for frames per second. The higher the number, the slower and smoother your slow-mo will be. You can tap on it and change it between 120 or 240. Now record the video. When viewing it, you'll notice that the video starts fast, then slows down, and then ramps up again. To edit where the video slows down, tap Edit and move the brackets around in the bottom strip. Click Done. Shooting slow-mo on iPhone is really straightforward to use. All you need to do now is find your subject to film in slow motion. What will you be recording in slow-mo? If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And make sure to press the bell button to be the first to know about our new videos.